So, ever wonder why your skin is dry and your hair is frizzy when you get out of the shower? The problem's not the water. Most of the problem is the chlorine, the metals, the impurities that can strip away the skin's natural moisture and change your hair over time. And of course, I don't have any hair, but it helps my eyes not be red when I get out of the shower. So I switched to the Afina Shower Filter because it removes the chlorine and all those harmful contaminants in seconds. There's no plumber needed. It comes with all the tools. Skin feels soft, and my eyes are no longer red. So after a few showers, I noticed a huge difference. And so if you want to be in the spa quality shower at home, get yourself an Afina shower filter. This thing's like the iPhone of shower filters, packaged incredibly, and your skin and hair will thank you. If you're ready for the Afina experience, we have a special discount link here and also in the description.